Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install custom mouse cursors on Windows 10 or 11. Now I'm also going to show you how to change your mouse cursors easily, so we're going to dive right into it. So the first thing you need to check out is your mouse settings, so just feel free to navigate to your taskbar right over here and just search for mouse settings, and then this window will open up, and then you're just going to scroll down or look for the option called additional mouse options. So in here, this will open a new window called mouse properties, where you have buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel, and hardware. So what we're looking for is pointers. So in here, you actually already have a bunch of options to choose from. By default, these are already available in your system. You have the magnified, system scheme, Windows black, extra large, large, and system scheme. You have the Windows default, inverted, standard, and whatnot. So by default, you already have these to choose from. However, if you really want the ones that are customized, then I'm going to show you where you can get them. So for now, we're going to close these, and then we're going to head to our browser, and we're going to look for a specific website called DeviantArt. So make sure to head to deviantart.com/tag/cursors. And what you also need to make sure is that once you're here, you log into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can just sign up for a free account on DeviantArt. You can use your Facebook or Google or Gmail to log in or sign up for an account. So just search for DeviantArt sign up, and then you should see this join link. So just click on this link, and as you can see, if I click on it, it already detects that I'm currently logged in. So that will happen if you're already logged in and if you already have an account. But if you don't, then this will take you to the sign up page where you can sign up and create for your account, and they will ask you for your preferences on what particular art you're looking for, what it is you're looking for in the website, what your purpose is, if you want to sell or buy art or just discover, then just follow the prompts to sign up for an account. Now, once that's done, then you should be able to access this section, and all you need to do is choose the specific cursors that you're interested to try in your computer. So you have a bunch of options to choose from here, so just feel free to look for what you'd like to use. And you can also see they have a lot of filtering or filter options to choose from. And there's also this filter right here. So you can switch between relevance and most recent if you want to look for the ones that are recently uploaded or added to DeviantArt. So feel free to choose which cursor you'd like to use. Some of them are for free, so meaning you can download them for free, while the other ones need to be paid for because there's patrons. There are patrons who design these cursors, and of course they're selling their art, so some of them you need to pay for, but just look for the ones that are for free if you don't want to have to spend on a bunch of cursors. So for example, this retro keyboard or retro mouse cursors look pretty nice, so we're gonna try this one. And as you can see, there's already a direct option here to download. It says free download. And this will make our lives easier since you can already download it straight up from this section. But there are also some options that actually take you to a different site. So for example, this Peachy mouse cursor, if we open this, you can see that there is no direct download option right here where this button was. So in these cases, for example, if you found a specific cursor that you like and there's no direct download button, then you can just scroll down and check their description if there's any links available. So for example, you have this one right here that says you can get it here. So this will redirect you to a different link or a different website. So we're just going to open this in a new tab. And as you can see from here, we can get it from this website. So it depends on the cursor that you found. Some of them have direct downloads, some of them take you to a different website. So here we're going to go for this example. I'm going to go ahead and download this. Then we're just going to wait. And then we can just head to the folder of the download. So it took us to the download section. Now what we're going to do here is make sure to open the zip file, and then we're going to extract these files. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy them. And let's try just putting it on the desktop, adding new folder maybe, and then name it as custom cursors. Now I'm going to paste them on this new folder. All right, so now we have the Ketro Dark and Ketro Light version. So we can open these files right here and check that we have the cursors that we found a while ago. Let's try to check the Ketro Light. Here they are. So you have the light version and you have the dark version. They also come with some wallpapers, so that's pretty interesting. Now what we're gonna do is head back to mouse settings. So if you remember, we went to this settings a while ago, and we're gonna go to additional mouse options, and then pointers, and then from here, all we have to do is select the specific cursor. So for example, normal select. We're gonna make sure this option is selected, and then we're gonna click browse, and then we're gonna head to the folder where we saved the custom cursors. So right here, let's go with Ketro Dark, and then we're just gonna choose the specific cursor that we'd like to use in place of the one that we selected. So for example, normal select, you can see that they also labeled this nicely, so it has a guide, and then just go ahead and replace it, and do the same for the rest. So once you've done that, you can actually preset or save it as a preset so that it won't mess with the default cursors that are available in your system. So for example, custom cursor, and it will be saved as a preset right here. Then just make sure to click on apply and hit OK so that you can apply the changes to your system. So we're going to go ahead and try that. And as you can see, the cursor has changed into this black one. So that's how you can change your cursors. And for example, if you want to revert the changes, just head back to pointers, and then you can delete this preset that we created a while ago. And then just go back to the default one, should be Windows default system scheme, hit apply, hit OK, and then as you can see, we're back to our default cursors. All right, so that's how you change your mouse cursors on Windows 10 or 11, and this is also where you can find some of the cursors that you can use. So just feel free to browse what you'd like and then change it accordingly to your theme or preference on your computer. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.